Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to install macOS Big Sur on PC. Previously we made a video of installation using VMware, but this is a clean install guide with OpenCore bootloader. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for the latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose you'll require macOS Big Sur installer, which can be downloaded via Apple Developer ID, command file, for creating macOS USB, OpenCore configurator, for mounting EFI partitions, and EFI preset, according to your system specification, and also one USB of 16 GB. So, the first step is to create macOS installer USB. For that plug your USB, and as you can see the USB appeared here. Now, open disk utility, and erase the USB with following parameters. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility, and Utilities as well. Now, open the command file, and copy the whole command, and paste it to terminal and press Enter key. Enter your password, press Y key to confirm. And now, the macOS install USB is being created. The USB has been created. Close and quit terminal, and open OpenCore configurator, and mount the EFI partition of your USB flash drive. And copy the EFI folder, and paste it to the EFI partition of USB flash drive. Close the folder, and copy OpenCore configurator, and paste it to USB. Close the folder, and eject the EFI partition, and USB as well. And now, we are ready to install macOS Big Sur. Power on your PC, and press Delete key to enter your BIOS. Now, go to Save and Exit tab, select Load Optimized Defaults and press Enter key. Now select Save and Exit Setup and press Enter key. Your PC will restart. Boot back to BIOS. Now change the following settings. Go to Exit tab, and exit the BIOS saving changes. Now, plug macOS Big Sur USB and boot to boot menu. Select USB followed by the UEFI prefix, and press Enter to boot. So, here is only install macOS beta showing. As I'm using new SSD, press Enter to boot. Select your language, and click on right arrow button. Select Disk Utility, and click on Continue. Click on View, and select Show All Devices, and select your drive instead of any partitions, and erase it with following parameters. Click on Done, and close Disk Utility. Now, select Install macOS, and click on Continue, and proceed with the installer. Select Macintosh HD, and click on Install. And guys, during installation, your system will restart several times, so don't worry about that. we've booted to Big Sur. And now continue with the setup. Continue with the keyboard setup. And now, copy the OpenCore configurator to your desktop. Close the folder and open OpenCore configurator and mount the EFI partition of both USB and system drive as well. Close and quit OpenCore configurator and copy the EFI folder from EFI partition of USB to the system drive. By doing this step, you will be easily able to boot directly without USB. Close the folder, eject both EFI partitions, and USB as well. Click on Apple logo, click on Restart, and uncheck the box, and click on Restart. Now, let's check our hardware, to check if everything is working or not. The audio and the audio hotkeys works perfectly. HDMI is working too. The Bluetooth is working. Wi-Fi is working. Let's have a look at another stuffs. Internet is working. Let's check the sleep-wake. Sleep-wake is also working. Now let's check the hardware specifications. Finally, we have installed macOS Big Sur on PC, which is fully functional. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And for more updates, stay connected and have a great day.